The next topic we are going to see is types of array. The first one is the one-dimensional array. Now, how is an array declared as one-dimensional? For that we need subscript. One-dimensional array requires only one subscript to specify the number of elements in an array. Here you can see the example. This is how 1D array looks like. Here we have data type that is integer, marks as the name of the array, and this is the size of the array. These are the elements that will be stored in the array, and this is the index values of the array. Remember, index value of the array always starts from 0. Followed by one-dimensional array, we will deal with multi-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional arrays require more than one subscript to specify elements in an array. The first one is the 2D array and the second one is the 3D array. In multi-dimensional array, we need more than one subscript. In the previous, we had one-dimensional array, so the subscript is just 1, that is 10 columns. But in multi-dimensional array, we need multiple rows and multiple columns. So we need 2 subscripts for 2D arrays and more than 2 subscripts for 3D arrays. First, we have two-dimensional array. The 2D array is organized in the form of a matrix which can be represented as a collection of rows and columns. Here is the example. Here you can see we have 3 rows and 3 columns. And we have 2 subscripts that defines the number of rows and number of columns and the elements in an array. The elements 1, 2, 3 confines the first row, 4, 5, 6 confines second row, and 7, 8, 9 confines third row. Similarly, we have 3-dimensional arrays. A 3D array is a collection of 2D arrays which consist of 3 subscripts, that is block size, row size, and column size. Here you can see the example for that. The first one is the block size, the second one is the row size, and the third one is the column size. So this happens to be the first block and this happens to be the second block. This is how 3-dimensional arrays are represented.